guys, welcome back. Today I have a really quick video. I just wanted to show you a few things that I got from Target today. I went with the idea to find something for organization. I was looking for containers that could help me to reorganize my desk. My drawers, I think I need a new system to organize, and I also changed the tabletop of my desk, so it is a little bit bigger. So I was looking for things that could help me to have everything organized, and I came home without any organization stuff, but I found these cute containers at the Target dollar spot. So these cuties are $1 each, and they also had them on red. I just liked the pink one, and these are about like 2 inches wide plus the lid. So this is really cute to use for gifts. I thought I could personalize these, and I also got shreds so I can put them inside the containers, and I don't know if chocolates or a gift card, I don't know, but these are super cute, and I thought I could personalize these for gifts. I could use them to organize my desk, but really I think these are so cute to give it to someone. So yeah, I'm not using them to organize, but I was looking for a tray to put my scraps when I am working on my desk, and then I have my scraps everywhere, the bits and pieces to decorate my albums, and I was looking for a tray everywhere. I am not sure if I'm gonna use them for that because yeah, these are not trays, but these are super cute, and I just love them. These are microwave safe, oven safe, so I'm not sure if I should use them for the purpose they are or for something else. I was trying to, let me see, I have a few pieces from an album that I am working on right now, so I wanted to put my scraps in there, my embellishments there or something, but I don't know if these can bend if I put them in here, so I am not sure if I'm gonna use them for that. And these are bigger pieces, so I really wanted to get a tray, but the ones I found at other places I didn't love them, but this was the perfect shape, perfect color, just is not a tray. So I am not sure for what am I gonna use them. Probably I should just add something like that. Yeah, this is cute, but I don't know. I just know that I'm gonna keep these ones. I don't think I'm gonna use them for gifts. I really love these containers, and these are $5. Yeah, so 2 for $5. So this is really nice. And I also found this towel. This one was $5. Yeah, and this was super cute. And since I thought on adding some vinyl in here, I thought that maybe I could do some iron on and add something else in here. So I decided to bring this one home to do something else with this one. So this was super cute. I also found this organizer. This was super cute. I think it's the only thing that was more for organization, but I was looking something for my drawers, so I don't really need this one, but I thought, again, since I am planning to do some vinyl, that maybe I could add some decorations or add something in here, probably names, and probably my kids can use them for something because they already saw this stuff that I got, and they are already deciding which one is for whom. So probably I just keep it for my kids. So this is everything I got. Is super cute. Stay tuned for another crafty video using these cuties, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.